could drink a little more. Hey, stop. It's all gonna come out a blur on the video.
Really?
It's just gonna like.
It's just like it's gonna be all like black hands just going on.
Yeah. Woo! Mini market. Mini market.
Wait, my arm's gonna move like water. You ready?
This is the only reason why I'm happy is because I'm with my cousin. My mom, this one right here, with some assistance from Otis, my father. Oh, everybody, look, recording me doing this to my mother.
Oh,
I'm cool! Wouldn't let me go to the mountains with my best friend Morgan. That sucks, because I did my chore for 2 days out of the week. The world is over.
It is. Cause look at the desk mic.
Yeah, we have some guy in my room, like, vacuuming my bed. Chinese guy. He looks like Kyojuki. Does anybody know who that is? Brandy does. I don't even know if you guys can see me.
No.
Trey back here is still dancing. My brother's pissed off at the world because he can't hear his little movie.
Wait a minute.
Pirates of the Caribbean, that's a good one. It's my cousin. He's like my twin. Love him with life. Oh, like that thing with a little like that right. Oh my gosh, this song has to play. This song has to play. Red wine. You not red wine. Yeah, I should be on my way to the mountains right now with Morgan, but I'm not. Am I?
You're on your way to Costco.
On my way to Costco! Wow! Party!
That hurt, like really bad. Oh snap! Lady Gaga is sick. Stop.
This is Power 106 Hip Hop.
That just killed the mood. Okay, now I'm thinking of somebody who has his song on his page. Who could that be? Oh, wait, wrong person. Tried to remind somebody else, but like, the other person's gonna watch, yeah, the person I tried to remind is gonna be mad because he doesn't like that person I thought of.
I wonder who those two people are that you're talking about.
Yeah, my mom might know. And then again, she might not. I'm so bored. I'm not ticklish, Mom. That says tacos for $3. Watch me drop my phone out of the window. 3 tacos and a drink for $1. Football team. I did. So my hot. Somebody let out the tiger in her. We're dancing. Yeah! I just said hi to some white people. No offense, Mom.
Yeah, now my wife is worried.
It's okay. He still said rock on. He reminds me of Mr. Messick. Yeah. Oh, there's the police officer. I knew I smelled bacon.
Calendar and performing.
No. Oh, staticky. No. Stop, Mom, stop. Stop. Stop, Mom.
329. I am looking for caller 35 right.
Only one station, please.
Idris, be quiet. Idris, you're a killjoy. We're taking you home.
Suddenly, you have to make choices.
Stop, don't say that.
Let you know that my main man, Coward.
Isaac, I'm gonna call the police if you don't stop. Stop. I'll call the police. Stop.
Yeah, it's my jam.
Flower exit over to me.
So there's nothing on the radio. I'm very disappointed in Kiss FM. Me and Brandy make fun of people who bob their head.
Glad to be part of your conversation.
Yeah. Alright, so it's gonna take a long time to upload this video on the computer, so I'm getting off now. Hold on. Great Shanghai buffet. It's closed. Costco is closed. This whole ride was for nothing. Signing off now. Peace, Earthlings.